Friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you are subscribed, please do not forget to hit the bell icon to get my next video updates almost instantly. Thank you. So welcome friends. Our today's webinar topic is most profitable super trend indicator strategy, and this strategy is having very high accuracy. So before I start, let me introduce myself. I am Indrajit Mukherjee and I have founded stockmaniacs.net. So you can visit me on my site stockmaniacs.net. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can also join my trading team. To join me, simply WhatsApp your name, phone number and email ID to +91 96743 21856. So friends, this is a price chart. My broker is giving me this kind of price chart. But seeing this price chart, I cannot understand where exactly to buy or where exactly to sell, because there is no signal, nothing. I cannot understand where to buy or where to sell. So my broker is giving me this kind of chart. If your broker is not providing you this kind of chart, or your chart is not clearly visible, or your chart is not continuous, you are not having enough data in your chart, it is time to switch your broker. You can get Zerodha Kite by opening a trading account in Zerodha. Simply remember this link: bit.ly/join Zerodha, bit.ly/join Zerodha. I'll give you the link in the description of the video. So from there, if you want, you can open a trading account in Zerodha and you can get this kind of chart access instantly. Now this chart does not give me any idea on where to buy or where to sell. But if I add a simple study, there are a number of studies in this Zerodha Kite. I'll use a simple study called Super Trend. See, this is the default parameter of Super Trend 7 and 3, and I'll click done. So you can see, friend, instantly your chart will give you an indication where to buy, where to sell. There are series of green arrows. This is a buy signal. There are series of sell arrows. This is a sell signal. And once a buy signal is coming, you can see there is a green line that is moving below the price. So that is your stop loss. This was the initial stop loss. And when the buy signal came, this was the initial stop loss. And along with the price, the stop loss is also moving up. As the price is moving up, the stop loss is also moving up. So that is a trailing stop loss. So the stop loss is also trailing and it is locking in on your profit. Then there are a series of down arrows, and this is a sell signal. And you can see once the sell signal has come, the super trend line, the color has turned to brick red. So this was your initial stop loss. The initial super trend value was your initial stop loss, and as the price is moving down, you can see the super trend line is also moving down by locking in your profit. Now let us see the profit potentials. I am using the super trend on a 2 hours chart. So this is a positional trading that I am doing. So you can see when the buy signal has come, the buy signal has come around 30,800 odd levels. So from there, the highest mark that has been made, it was 31,650. So it is around 850 points rally that has been made. Then the price has reversed. A sell signal has come around 30,750 odd level. So from there, once again, there was a down point has been made around 27,950 odd level. So from 30,750 odd level to the market has moved down till 27,950 odd levels. So that is once again a 2,800 points rally. So 2,800 points plus 850 points. So that is a 3,650 points rally in two trades. So this buy signal has come in the end of July. So around it was, I feel it is 20th of July. So 20th of July till today is 2nd of August. So 2nd of August, so it is around 12 days, and within 12-13 days it has given us a profit potential of 3,650 points. So if you cannot catch the whole 3,650 points, if you catch half of that also, around 1,800 points if you can catch, so your earning potential is 36,000 rupees per lot. So that is the earning potential that Super Trend will give you. You can see the previous charts also. There was a sell signal, market moved down. There was a buy signal, market moved up. Buy signal moved up, sell signal moved down, sell signal moved down. This buy signal has given us some loss. So this buy signal has come, it has reversed. So we can see out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, we have got 5 trades successful. So this is the power of Super Trend. Only in case of very tight range the Super Trend can give some loss. Else if you trade with good money management, if you use some initial target and then trail your stop losses for the rest, you can get good amount of profit from the Super Trend. So if you do not have Super Trend, you can ask your broker to give you Super Trend, or if your broker is not ready to give you Super Trend indicator, simply join Zerodha and you can get access to this kind of charts instantly. Remember this link once again, bit.ly/join Zerodha. You can get the link in the description of the video. You can open a Zerodha account and instantly you can get access to Super Trend. So this is the power of Super Trend. You can mix and match Super Trend with other indicators also. There are other ways to trade the Super Trend also. Sometimes you will find the price will try to test the Super Trend line and will not sustain near the Super Trend. Suppose here the sell signal has come, the market moved down, then the market retraced, the price tried to test the Super Trend once again, but the price could not close above the Super Trend. One attempt, 2 attempts were unsuccessful, then the market reversed. If you find this kind of situations, the price tries to test the Super Trend but is unsuccessful, you can once again enter in the line of the trend and you can get money here also. So these are the various kind of trading strategies that you can use with Super Trend. You can mix and match Super Trend with other indicators to maximize your profits. So I have given full details. I have written a blog post specially for Super Trend. So you can read the blog post and you can get my exact settings that I use in Super Trend. So that is, you can visit this link. I'll give you the link in the description of the video. So do not worry, no need to remember this. Simply go through my blog post and copy my exact settings of Super Trend. If you do not use my exact settings, then also Super Trend is itself a very profitable indicator. But remember, use this indicator on higher time frame charts for maximizing profits. If you are a positional trader, use on 2 hours chart. If you are an intraday trader, trade at least on 15 minutes chart. You can see 15 minutes chart will also give you good amount of profit. Few signals can miss, but that is a part of the game. Even on the default parameter, super trend will be profitable most of the times. So for intraday trader, trade on 15 minutes time frame, and if you are a positional trader, definitely trade on 2 hours time frame. That will give you maximum amount of profit. So friends, I have concluded the webinar on super trend. It's a simple webinar. If you want to know more about super trend, simply visit my blog post. In the blog post, I have given you full details on my exact settings on super trend, so you can find out my exact settings and how I trade the super trend. So you can visit the blog post. If you have your own settings on the super trend, do not forget to give your ideas on the comment of the video. I'll wait for your comment. I wish you loads of luck in your coming days. I wish you be most profitable in your coming days. And if you like my video, do not forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you once again for joining me in the webinar. Bye bye.